got gunk on your lip. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Becca and welcome to my channel. So this week on Instagram, I did a poll asking if you guys wanted to see a get ready with me or a simple glam tutorial from me because I have to be at some friend's wedding later today. So I can't do anything like crazy because if I did like a K-pop inspired thing and like showed up to their wedding, they would hate me. So, lip skin. Thank you. So if I showed up in something weird to their wedding, they would probably hate me. So I decided not to do that. And you guys voted on a get ready with me. So that's what I'm doing. I have to leave here in like 3 hours. Should be plenty of time. But I've already done my hair, so you're gonna watch me do my makeup, and I still have not figured out which item of clothing I'm wearing, so you'll probably see that part too. I also just realized I never brush my teeth, even though I meant to before I curled my hair. One second.
A few moments later.
Well, now that that's done, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just go straight into getting ready. I'm probably not gonna explain what every product is that I'm using just because it would feel very tutorial-y and I'm not really about it. And I list all of the products I'm using in the description of every single video. And so if I use something and don't talk about it, it will 100% be listed down below. So here we go. So I made a list of things to talk about on my phone when I was thinking about doing a get ready with me a few weeks ago. And last night I was thinking of things to talk about and I was like, oh, I should write this down. Guess what I forgot to do? Write it down. Yeah, so these are like several weeks old. I don't feel like talking about hardly any of these. Mirror. My skin looks so dewy and hydrated right now. I used a moisturizer I've never used before. A different moisturizer that I've had, it's a little sample size. I've had it since I did my massive Korean skincare haul in 2016 that I never made a video on, that I said I was gonna make a video on. Ooh, I have not even eaten today and I'm so hungry. Why did I burp? In addition to like this stuff, I got twin pimples in the exact same place above my eyebrows. Cool. I still want to know why after this being an almost perfect match for my skin for like 2 years, this suddenly got too dark for me. When your girl does not have a summer shade or a winter shade, I just stay the same shade of beige. I'm not even beige. I'm too light to be beige. I'm really hoping this breakout's just like incoming period mess and not just, hey, I'm your skin and I don't like you anymore. I've been needing to go to a dermatologist anyway because I haven't been since like my 10th grade year in high school. So I probably should go to a dermatologist. There's lots of doctors I need to go to that I just don't. Like, I've never been to a gynecologist. Should probably do that for multiple reasons, including my mom and her sister both had breast cancer. My mom died of breast cancer, so I'm supposed to start getting checked early, especially because my mom's cancer was very aggressive. Still haven't done that. Oh, so in the makeup world, I decided I was going to try a new concealer and not use Tarte Shape Tape for everything because I'm kind of over Tarte for a little bit. After the whole Shape Tape foundation thing, I just wanted to give them a break. And plus, I've been using this concealer since it came out. Why not try something new? So I bought the Urban Decay Naked concealer. I think that's what it's called. I don't know. It's in the drawer over there. And it's so different from Shape Tape that I had to just like give it a break. Also, I don't think it works really well since I use the Amazonian Clay foundation by Tarte. It just does not work out the same. Like, it's more difficult to use. So I'm gonna try that one again. I'm not writing it off entirely, but I am gonna try that one again with a different foundation because I want to give it its best chance. There's something so soothing about the edge of your concealer just blending out into like nothing and just blending in with your foundation. There's something so soothing about it. Peeking and the sun comes out. Yay! It's been cloudy and dreary, but now it messed up my lighting because I shoot in manual. Since I'm looking for things to talk about, I'm just going to talk about random things. So, be prepared. Scar voice. So, oh, that is a perfect transition too. Because I finally saw Justice League. I rented it on Vudu. And let me just say, I can't believe they really paid Ezra Miller to play Ezra Miller in a Flash costume. It was fantastic. He's the best part. He's the best part of that whole movie. So, that's just that. What annoys me the most is that director looked the entirety of the DCU movie franchise, whatever, and was like, I'm gonna pick one thing from all of these movies to talk about. And his one thing from Wonder Woman to keep referencing was Steve. Wonder Woman was so good, and you're gonna pick only Steve to talk about. Okay. Okay. But I also just feel like Ben Affleck's version of Batman is extremely awful. And the sun gets even brighter, so the sun agrees. Ben Affleck should not be Batman. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to put on my RCMA powder. I keep that in my bathroom since it's a loose powder and it involves a damp beauty blender also, so one second. The sun always comes out in the middle of me doing things. But as of recently, I have started doing a new brow style that I am obsessed with. And so it's my new go-to. I started doing it because I saw It's Likely Makeup, Jordy, here on YouTube do it. I've talked about her in some videos before. What I do is I pinch my angle brush really thinly so it's really fine, and then put some product on it. And then you just make diagonal lines in the shape of your brow to make it look, and bring it up past to make it look a little bushy. You're gonna look crazy at first, I promise. It will come out okay by the end. So now that you're looking thoroughly weird, like a werewolf, like you have werewolf brows, you take brow gel. This one is by NYX. I've had this for a couple years, so it's almost empty. And you just gel these suckers up. So I went off camera to do my contour just because it would have been boring and I could not have talked while doing it. And most people know what to do for contour. And the sun went away, and so now the lighting in here is awful. But I'm gonna move on to my eyes. And I'm gonna bring back an old favorite, my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Just, oh, good old peach ring smell. So today for lashes, I'm using the Huda Beauty lashes that I featured in my 2016 beauty haul. I'll link it up here. And so after years of hearing people talk about them, I bought some Huda Beauty lashes, and I bought the faux mink ones in Ferrah, number 12. So these bad boys have just been sitting in a drawer, and I think I was so afraid to use them because I rarely used lashes at the time. I have NCT stuck in my head because I love my sons, and their new album is so good. So if you like good music, go listen to the NCT Empathy album. So this is the finished makeup. I used my Narsissist 2 palette for blush, my typical glazed donut for highlight. I tried to use my Tarte Tarteist lip paint, totally forgetting the formula would not work with. I tried to use my Tarteist lip paint in Namaste, totally forgetting the formula would not work at all with my Fenty gloss. So I have a little, like the remnants of my Tarteist on there, but it's mostly Fenty lip gloss. I wish this would. Thank you. I never knew it would do that. You learn new things every day about your technology. Here's a close-up of the makeup. I really like these lashes despite having to fight with this one, but yeah, I'm overall pleased. I somehow did another monochromatic look, so this one's just pinky and peachy. So now we're gonna cut to me totally done. So this is the finished look. This is a dress I got from Boohoo. It's a floor length that goes all the way to the floor, just black dress. And it has this off the shoulder thing with this floral detail. It was really popular like last summer. I actually wore almost this exact thing to some other friend's wedding that was like late summer, early fall. It's cute, but this is one of those like tie chokers. Like it's really long and you just like wrap it around your neck and tie it. So it's technically 2, but I know it's gonna look wonky by the end of the night. So that's just how it is. I curled my hair, and I'm probably going to like pin this sucker back because it's not cooperating. But I hope you enjoyed this really crappy get ready with me. Something about this being a pressure for me to actually wear this somewhere. I was like all over the place and things kept going wrong, and it just shows that we're all human, I guess, so it could be enjoyable. Who knows? But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button down below and become part of the fam. I would love to have you. We would all love to have you around here. All 70 of us. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's just right over there. It gives me clues as to the kind of things you like, what you guys want to see more of, yada yada yada. And then while you're over there, tap the bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new content. But really quick before I go, here's some other video options from my channel for you to click on. So just pick whichever one and go. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.